Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at this shirt that I have on. You know what that means? From Black Panther Funko Pop unboxing video. Look how cool this shirt is. You can flip it up and down to different people. So let's get started with the first one. So this is my Funko Pop Black Panther collection. So I've been collecting them. So let's see which ones I got. I haven't seen them, but because it's a surprise, my mom got most of them as a surprise. So let's see which one I get. So the first one I got is, look at the first one I got is the Black Panther, the original one. The one where he doesn't have his mask on, but the original one. It's so cool and so detailed. Look, no damage on the box or nothing. Look, everything around. Now, let's open it. Always open it from the bottom so you won't break it. Open soft and nice. So we're opening it. Then, look. Whoa, look at this. It's so cool. Look at this. This one's also a bobblehead, so you can shake and his head will move. But look, it's really detailed on it. You can tell how cool it is. And it has the beard, the eyes, the head, the hair. And look, all his body parts are in good condition. Nothing's missing anything, but look how cool it is. It's really cool. Look, from here, it looks really cool. So I really like this Black Panther because he's actually the main character. If you haven't seen the movie, I'm not gonna give you spoilers, but this is the main character from the movie Black Panther, and he's my favorite character too. So it's really cool, and plus you can bobble his head. So we're gonna keep him here. Okay guys, let's see who else we got. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh guys, look, I got Nakia. Black Panther's I forgot, wife, I think, or ex-girlfriend, I think. But look, Nakia, the box has no damage. It looks so cool. This is another one my mom gave me. And look, you can tell already from the box, she has really good detail, look. So let's open it. Always remember, always open it from the bottom. Because if you open it from the top, it's easier to break it. But from the bottom, it's less easier to break it. So, because you don't want to break the box, you want to save it. So let's try opening it. Come on, let's open it. So excited. This one. Look at Nakia. She's really detailed. And look, she's really detailed, and the way she's standing makes it look like she's not a spy, but she really is a spy. Her hair is really good. All the detail on it is really good. And plus, the part I love about these Funko Pops is that they're bobbleheads. Bobble, 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 bobble. And it's so cool. This one came with a stand. The Black Panther one didn't, but this one came with its own stand, because I don't think this one can stand up by itself. Let's see if it can. I don't think so. Well, if you get it perfectly, you can, but most of the time you're going to use the stand. So you use the stand on it. Look. See, now I can stand on easier. But look, it bobbles his head. That's my favorite part. So let's put it here with the other ones, with my Black Panther one. Let me close the box. Okay guys, now we're gonna go to the next one from all of our collections. Let's go to the next one, see which one we got. I'm not gonna choose that one. Should I choose one from the bottom or from the top? Comment down below and give me luck to see which one I should get. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh look, I got Erik Killmonger. This is my second favorite character. Look how cool this is. This one's box 278. It's so cool, it's so detailed already from the box. The box has a little paint on it, I think that's what it is. But besides that, there's no damage on all over the box. There's no damage. It looks really cool inside the box. So let's open it. So always open it from the bottom. Even if you forget, and you try opening from the top, it's okay if you open it from the top, but we recommend you to open it from the bottom. So let's take it out. It's got stuck. Okay, look at Erik Killmonger. It's so cool. You can tell, look, his weapons, they look so realistic. This one is really sharp. Look at this, it's really detailed. It has his jacket, his belt, and everything. His hair looks really cool. His sword, everything looks really cool on him. So, look, plus his head even bobbles like all the other ones. Bobble, 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 bobble. This is really cool because this is actually my second favorite because I love Erik Killmonger. But Black Panther is the first one that I like. In case you didn't know, Erik Killmonger is the bad guy in the movie Black Panther. He comes and fights Black Panther, and defeats Black Panther, and he becomes the king. But then Black Panther actually survives the cliff. He comes back and fights him and defeats him. It's really cool in the movie. You should go watch it in case you haven't watched it. This is really cool. And my favorite part of all of them, of course, is the bobble bobble. So we're gonna put it here. Now, which one you think I should get next? Comment down below. Which one you think I'm gonna grab next? I think I'm gonna get, there are, let me see, 4 more to choose. So I'm gonna grab, I'm really confident with this one. Look at the one we got. We got Mbaku. Look, it's really cool. This one actually has no damages on the box. The box is really cool. I really like him. I really like Mbaku because his staff and how he says his name Mbaku. So let's open it. This box is $388. So let's open it. Let me open it from here. That fell. Okay, this one did not come with a stand. Look at this one. This one, his staff is really good detailed. It looks really cool. He has his chest and his arms. Has his arm protection. He has this wool cape, and his shoes are also made out of wool. It's so cool. Everything's really good detailed, and the paint job on it is really good. And the favorite part again, bobble, bobble, bobble. This is really cool. This is actually my 3rd favorite one too, which I actually love Mbaku. It's really cool. So let's move on to the next one. But this one is really good. He in the beginning, he also tries to fight Black Panther, but he actually loses. But then close to the end of the movie, when Black Panther comes back and he's about to defeat Erik Killmonger, he actually helps Black Panther. So let's put him here and grab our next one. Which one do you think now we're gonna get? Maybe we could get, what thing should I get? Oh, by the way, we have actually 2 Black Panthers. One that's gonna be inside the box and one that's gonna be outside the box. So, but which one do you think I'm gonna get? That Black Panther, the guy with I forgot his name, the guy with the metal fake arm that he uses that big blast out of his fake arm. Which one do you think I'm gonna get? Comment down below. Let me choose. Now there's only 3 more chances, which I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna choose and this one. See, I told you, this is the other Black Panther that we have. This is gonna be the one that's gonna stay inside the box, and the other one I have is the one that's gonna be outside in my room in the display. And once we start putting them all on a shelf that my dad's gonna get, we're going to put them all on there, and then we'll show you how it comes out at the end. So let's go to the next one. I think this time I'm going to get Black Panther's sister, which is, I forgot her name. Or I might get the guy with the arm. gonna choose this one. This is the one I was talking about, Ulysses Claw. Look, this is really cool because of his arm. His arm can split in half, and then a huge blaster comes out. It's really cool. The box has no damage on it. This is box 387. So let's open this one. This one doesn't come with a stand either. See, look how detailed this one is. Look at his arm. See, this is the robot arm. The weapon would go inside here, then the arm will go back together, and this part will go back here. And it's really cool because look, it's really cool because it's really detailed, and the bobble. And this one's, the shoes are really detailed. Everything's really detailed. Even the tattoo behind his head, the tattoo around his arm is really cool and really detailed. And plus his hair. To me, his hair kind of looks like from the back. To me, it looks like Hawkeye kind of from the back. But not the tattoo part, but it looks really cool. Bobble. Never forget the bobble. So I'm gonna put this one here. If you didn't know that Ulysses Claw is another bad guy in the movie. He's the one who stole vibranium from Wakanda, and with his blaster he shoot Black Panther in the movie. So I'm gonna put him here. Now we're gonna go to the next one, the finale one. And who do you think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do last one. Pull it out. Boom! I got Shuri. This box has no messes on it. It has no damage on the side. This box is $276, and the people you can get here is Black Panther. The ones we don't have, the one that we need to complete the set is Black Panther Warrior Falls when he was fighting the falls, and then we need Okoye, the general of all the Sawyers, and then we need Erik Killmonger, the glow pop. He glows in the dark. This one, see those yellow lines on him? That's because he glows in the dark. That's why it's called a glow panther. So those are the ones we're missing to complete our whole set. So now let's open it. This one also came with the box open. See, look, this one, look, it's really well done. And look, they even added the ponytail she has. And you see these weapons she has on her arms? Those are actually blasters that push them back, so then she can fight. But then look, it's really cool. The paint job on it is really good, and the bobble. Okay, now it's really cool. This one also came with a stand, but we're gonna see if it can stand up on its own. See, this one can stand up on its own, even though it came with a stand. But sometimes you can use the stand if you can't get it to stand up. So you just grab if it came with a stand, you grab your stand and put it on. And then once you grab your stand and then you put it on, you have to you put it on here. Wait, let me try putting it on. See, look, you gotta put them on right there. They're gonna be holes on the feet. Boom, see? That helps it stand up. If the ones you don't get, the ones you get, and it came with a stand and it fell, you use the stand. But if it doesn't fall and you keep it steady, it's not gonna fall for a long time without the stand. It's really cool. Shuri is actually the sister of Black Panther. She's actually the sister of Black Panther. She helps Black Panther in the movie too. It's really cool because she's the one that fights on top of the building where all the spaceships that they get to go outside the world and save the world, they actually have to. She stays there, and once at the end they start fighting, she helps Black Panther fight in the movie. It's really cool. And something that you didn't know about Black Panther in the movie is that when he goes like this, there's a big bubble that goes around him, and he shoots every bad guy that's near him. It goes poosh, and they go flying, and that's how he helps defeat the bad guys. It's really cool when he does that to defend himself. See, if like a lot of people are gaining on him, and then he can't catch up, he goes like that to get everybody out of his way, so he can go to the main battle of Erik Killmonger, the main battle. So it's actually really cool when he does that. That's my favorite part, when he does that. You know, like, it's really cool. Okay guys, this is my collection of the Black Panther Funko Pop. I still haven't gotten all of them. These are the ones my mom gave me. I really like them, but I still have more that we're gonna soon collect. Hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press that post notification bell so you know when we upload our new Funko Pop video. And I really like these ones because the Black Panther is my favorite. Erik Killmonger is my second favorite. I love them because Erik Killmonger just kind of looks like Black Panther in a way, but they're both enemies, separate enemies. I really like them because they're really cool. So just remember always, Wakanda forever.